How are you? Can I tell you something? I woke up at 4:30 and it was the best decision that I took because I had two lessons, financial lessons. It's the morning. I had chamomile. Oh, let's do like the influencers. Let's chamomile. There we go. I had Celtic salt, coarse salt with water for electrolytes when I woke up. That's the first thing I had. And then after that, I had chamomile. Now it's around 8ish, you know, and I'm going to have coffee. One thing, I've said no to so many things. Yesterday, the food was so nice. Like I was cooking and I felt like I want to have, but I had to say no to myself. I think I love the fact that I'm saying no to myself, then I'll be able to say no to so many things that do not align with me. Oh, yes, honey. That's what's up. So let's make coffee. It's in the morning. Always on a white shirt, baby, because that's how we roll in this house. In this house, we love red nails and white t-shirts. So calm and ready for the day. It's going to be a crazy day, I must say. But we moved on in, okay? And yeah, I'll talk to you later. When I do my smoothie, I have a carrot. Oh, actually, let's go back. Let's talk about while we're waiting for the water. Um, the soup was amazing. I enjoyed it, and I'm gonna have it today. Dinner time, same time I'm having my cabbage. So it's two smoothies or juice and lots of water. Yeah. And if I feel like I'm not full like that, I can snack with eggs, tuna, no bread though. So basically protein, popcorn, uh, cashew or almonds, those vibes. Those are the vibes. Those are the vibes. Yeah. Those are the vibes. That's what we're going for. And then at night, we do a soup. Why am I doing this? So that it can be sustainable. So I learned about stacking. If you've read Atomic Habits, they talk about systems and stacking habits. So day one was complete, and I'm on that momentum. I'm riding the wave. So I'm stacking with learning a new skill. Yay! Oh, it's on. So today is day two, and I made carrot. It's the recipe, yesterday's recipe, but I juiced it. So what it means to juice is to take out, strain out. So I'm doing that, and I want to stack again by adding Pilates, because as much as I want to lose the weight, I want to build the muscle, okay? I'm not going for the Ozempic look. Okay. I want the allegations, but the look, no darling. I want muscles. I want nje. I want the bum to be firm, the abs to be. Maybe I'll post a picture on the body I want, but that's for me, not for all of us. That's for me. I'll show you when I get to the other side. Which body was I going for? but trust me, it's lean, it's skinny, it's chiseled, it has muscles, it has a bum bum, okay, it has a small waist. You must use your imagination, but all I'm saying, the body will be bodying. See you later, alligator. This juice is really nice. It's carrot, turmeric, cinnamon, oranges. So I'm just adding umringa. If you know, you know. And let's. And then I'm out. See ya. Oh, and another thing, I'm changing bowls. So yesterday, remember, I was using this bowl, and to me this is a bit bigger, so I'm going to switch to this one, because one thing about losing weight, it's about being in a calorie deficit. It doesn't mean because now I'm eating soup I just have to indulge, and I still have to portion control even if I'm on a soup or a juice diet. So um to be honest with you, I love the cup that I'm using. Let me show you guys, because then I'm going to use this cup. You are going to see it generously. Okay? The problem, God bless. Actually, this is not about you, it's about me, yeah? So I'm going to use this cup and the bowl, and that's just about it. Get used to eating the same foods over and over again so that the body can crave those foods. Hey guys, I'm back. Just came from my child's school. I went over there, and now I'm about to drink a bit of coffee, and I'm having popcorns because wow, guys, I'm even lazy to do it, which is not okay. But I'm gonna make it as soon as I'm done with the popcorns. Okay. Soup! It's soup time. Today was the hottest, okay? It was really the hottest, but we managed. So I'm just gonna have my soup. I have to change the bowl because calorie deficit is guys. This is so good, guys. Can I go enjoy it and then see you when we make tea? Jehovah, my Lord. Day two, complete penalty. Nekemamayo. Good night. See you tomorrow. Mwah. Ngintanda nonke makhaya. To be honest with you, today was so difficult. It was so difficult because, wow, I was more hungry than yesterday. What we conquered. We conquered, we continue. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Now, Sage.